In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Gmail emails to Google Drive. This is especially useful if you want to back up important emails or access them easily from any device with internet access. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you have a smooth experience. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Find the email you want to save. Once you have it open, look toward the top right corner of the email window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More option. Click on these dots to access a menu with more actions you can perform on your email. From the drop-down menu, you will see an option for Print. Click on this, and you'll notice a new window or tab opening up with print settings. Don't worry about needing a physical printer. What we're doing here is setting up to save it as a digital document. In the printer settings that appear, look for the destination or printer. You'll want to click on this section, and a list of options will pop up. Choose Save as PDF. This selection is key because it transforms your email into a versatile document format that you're going to ultimately upload to Google Drive. After selecting Save as PDF, you'll be asked where to save this document on your computer. Choose a location that's convenient for you, somewhere easy to find. Perhaps your desktop or a dedicated folder for emails can be a good bet. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and save the file. Now that your email is safely stored as a PDF on your computer, the next step is to move it over to Google Drive. Head over to your Google Drive. You can find this by searching Google Drive in your browser or accessing it through your Google Apps menu. In Google Drive, look for the plus New button, usually positioned on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and then choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the PDF you saved earlier. Select your PDF and upload it. And that's one way to do it. As a quick tip, there's an even faster alternative if it suits your style. If your Google Drive and the folder where your PDF resides are both open side by side, simply click and drag the PDF file directly into the Google Drive window. This action will upload the file to your drive automatically without needing those extra clicks through menus. There you have it, a clear path to saving your Gmail emails to Google Drive. This method not only backs up important messages, but also provides easy access and organization for all your email attachments. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.